My name is Tony Harnack. I'm the president of Wellington Foods. Wellington Foods is a contract manufacturer of dietary supplements, both in liquid form and powdered form.
My name's Robin Joyner. I'm the system administrator. I control and maintain the MasterControl software here at Wellington Foods.
Jimmy Sariana, Manufacturing Operations Manager for Wellington Foods.
Moms out there buying products for their kids want to make sure that what is on the store shelf is great quality product. I have 3 kids. I have the same concerns. So as a business owner, what I'm really concerned about is getting better. And what that does for us is it becomes a competitive advantage.
We got a glimpse of the EBR at the last Master Summit. Just its functionality in our industry alone is highly desirable. Batch records is basically the Bible to the end product. It's what the FDA comes in and validates you against. So if you can't validate and prove what you did throughout your whole production cycle, you'll be out of business.
I'm a digital person. I'm not into the paperwork and having to do all this documentation stuff. And a lot of the personnel these days, these kids that are coming into the operations, are more on the technical side. A lot of them are used to tablets and phones and all of those kind of things. So that kind of stuff is just going to make it a whole different game.
The EBR now is going to automate that process for us, which will allow us now to manage and control input to a batch record a lot easier. It's going to eliminate errors that happen just by manual input to a piece of paper. And the auditing process at the end is going to be cut down to hours from weeks.
It's required because, under our regulations, it's required to have all of the documentation. And once we go to the electronic batch record, it just changes that.
The decision to become a beta tester for the electronic batch record was really born out of the knowledge that we're growing, that our volume of transactions is increasing, that over time it's going to be much more challenging to manage this paper-based system. And in truth, the volume of transactions, if it goes to 2x or 4x like it has for us over the past few years, managing current systems, legacy systems, old technology, it becomes so cumbersome that it's almost impossible to operate in a quality way.